Good morning, students. Good morning, students. Good morning to all of you. So this is a unit 4, belt drives, gate drives and governors. So in this unit, we will discuss about belt drives, gate drives and governors. But in this class, we will discuss only belt drives. So listen carefully. So this is very interesting topic. See here, topics covered in this uh, belt drives. So these are the topics. What is, first of all, what is belt drive? What is belt? Types of drives, belt materials, types of belts based on cross section, types of belt drives based on arrangement. So let us see one by one in detail. First of all, what is belt? What is belt? So what is belt means? So here we have a definition for that. Belt is a looped strip of flexible material which is used to link two or more rotating shafts. Once again listen, what is belt? Belt is nothing but what? Looped strip means closed strip of flexible material which is used to link two or more rotating shafts. So here if you observe this diagram, so here we have a two shafts. This is one shaft and this is another shaft. These two are the rotating shafts. So these two shafts are connected by the belt. This is a belt. This is looped strip means closed strip, closed belt, closed belt of flexible material. This is a flexible material. So this belt is used to link two or more rotating shafts. So this is about what is belt. Next, types of drives. So basically we have three types of drives. Basically we have three types of drives. They are one by one: belt drives, gear drives, chain drives. According to our syllabus, we have only belt drives and gear drives. We don't have chain drives. So we will discuss only belt drives and gear drives. But in this class, we are going to discuss about only belt drives. Okay. So these are the types of drives. Belt materials. Next topic is belt materials. The most commonly used belt materials are leather, rubber, camel hair, canvas cloth, balata gum. So these are the materials, belt materials generally we use. So see here one by one. So this is a leather belts, and this one is rubber belt. So these belts are generally uh, used to transmit the power from one shaft to another shaft. So the main function of the belt drive is to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft. Once again listen, what is the main function of the belt drive? What is the main function of the belt drive? See here, already we have discussed about belt. So what is the function of the belt? The main function of the belt is to transmit power from one place to one shaft to another shaft. So this is the basic function of the belt. So these are the this is a leather belt and rubber belt and camel hair. So this is a camel hair and canvas cloth. So this is our canvas cloth. Generally this canvas cloth generally we use on the lorries. So this is canvas cloth and this one is camel hair. Balata gum belt materials. So these are the balata gum belt materials. Next topic is types of belts. So based on cross section, basically we have three types of belts. Based on cross section, basically we have three types of belts. They are flat belts, V belts and circular belts. So we have another one more belt, that is a timing belt. So we are not discussing that belt. Only we are discussing about the flat belts, V belts and circular belts. Okay, listen carefully one by one. So what is flat belt? See here, flat belts. So flat belt will be in rectangular cross section. These belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft at a distance of 5 to 10 meters. At a distance of 5 to meter. Once again listen. So flat belt will be in rectangular cross section. These belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft. See here, this is one shaft, this is another shaft. So these flat belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft at a distance of 5 to 10 meters. At a distance of 5 to 10 meters. So these are the flat belts. So if we cut the flat belt, so it looks like a rectangular cross section. This is a cross section of the flat belt. Cross section of the flat belt. Next we will see V belts. The V belt will be in trapezoidal cross section. Flat belt will be in rectangular cross section, but the V belt will be in trapezoidal cross section. These belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft at a distance of less than 2 meters. So less than 2 meter we use V belts. So in between 5 to 10 meters we use flat belts. See, this is about flat belts. So sorry, V belts. V belts. So cross section of the V belt will be like this. See, this is a V belt. The cross section of the V belt is trapezoidal section. So this is a trapezoidal section shape. If we cut the belt, the cross section will be appear like this. This is the trapezoidal cross section. Okay. Next, circular belts. The rope belts or circular belts both are same. The rope belt will be in circular cross section. These belts are used to transmit power from one shaft to another shaft at a distance of more than 5 meter. In between 5 to 10 meters we generally use flat belts. Less than 2 meter we generally use V belts. But circular belts are used more than 5 meter distance. More than 5 meter distance means one shaft to another shaft distance should be more than 5 meters. So this is about circular belts. So cross section of the circular belt will be in cross section circular manner. So this is a round belt or cross belt. Sorry, circular belt. Round belt or circular belt. This is a practical figure. So types of belts, so flat belts, the distance between 5 to 10 meters. So low power, high speed. Due to flat belts, we will get the low high speed with low power. Round belts, these are the round belts. Cross section will be round. Cross section of the flat belt will be rectangular section. Cross section of the round belts or circular belts will be circular section. So smaller initial tension, absence of vibration and noise, high power, shaft distance less than less than 5 meters. So V builds shaft distance less than 2 meters, high power, moderate speed. Timing belts. So already I told you timing belts. We have another belt type, that is timing belt. So this is a positive drives. So these are the precious and reliable. So this is a timing belt. Generally we use in automobiles and conveyors also. Next topic is types of belt drives based on arrangements. This is very important our syllabus point of view. So types of belt drives based on arrangement. So basically we have three types of belt drives based on arrangement. So they are open belt drive, cross belt drive, quarter turn belt drive. So let us see one by one. What is open belt drive? What happens in the open belt drive? What is cross belt drive? What happens in the cross belt drive? So let us see one by one. So according to our syllabus, we have only these two only, open belt drive and cross belt drive. So we don't have quarter turn belt drive in our syllabus. So this is out of syllabus. So we will discuss only open belt drive and cross belt drive. Let us see. So open belt drive. What is open belt drive? What happens in the open belt drive? Means in open belt drive, two shafts should be arranged in parallel and they should be rotate in same direction. So observe the diagram carefully. See here, this is one shaft, this is another shaft. these two shafts are arranged in parallel manner. These two shafts are arranged in parallel manner, and these two shafts are rotating in same direction. See here, this is a driver pulley and this one is driven pulley. So if the driver pulley rotates in a clockwise manner in this direction, so driven pulley also rotates in the clockwise direction. So means these two pulleys are driver pulley and a driven pulley. These two pulleys are rotating in same direction. Same direction. So here this is a open belt drive. Once again listen, what is open belt drive? In open belt drive, two shafts should be arranged in parallel and they should be rotate in same direction. So these are the shafts, shaft 1 and shaft 2. So these two shafts are arranged in parallel. So this shaft is parallel to this one and this one is parallel to this one. These two shafts are parallel to each other. And so here if you observe this diagram, so here the pulley A is rotating in clockwise direction. So pulley B also rotates in clockwise direction. Means these two pulleys are rotating in the same direction. Whenever the belt passing over these two pulleys on the open belt drive, the lower portion belt will be in tight position, upper side belt will be in slack position. Upper side belt will be slack position, lower side belt will be in tight position. So this is about open belt drive. Next, this is a diagram for the open belt drive. So this is a driver pulley and this is a driven pulley. Okay, so this is a source where the source we have, that is a driver pulley. Okay, so this is a driver pulley and this is a driven pulley. So this is our belt, open belt drive. So this is another example for the open belt drive. So driver pulley, driven pulley. So this is tight side. When the belt rotating in the clockwise direction in this manner, so lower side belt will be in tight position, upper side belt will be in slack position, means loose. Okay, next this is another diagram for the open belt drive. Generally we use in automobiles. Next, cross belt drive. What is cross belt? What happens in the cross belt drive? So in cross belt drive, two shafts should be arranged in parallel, same as open belt drive, and they should rotate in opposite direction. This is the difference between cross belt drive and open belt drive. So in open belt drive, both shafts should be rotate in same direction, but in cross belt drive, uh, they should rotate, two shafts should be rotate in opposite direction. See here in this diagram, so this is the one shaft and this is the second shaft. So this shaft is parallel to this one and this one is parallel to this one, means these two shafts are parallel to each other. Okay, and if the pulley, this is a pulley A and this one is pulley B, so if the pulley A rotates in the clockwise direction, pulley B rotates in anti-clockwise direction. Means if the shaft A rotates in clockwise direction, shaft B rotates in anti-clockwise direction. So this is about the cross belt drive. So this is another example for the cross belt drive. So generally we use floor mills and oil mills. Okay, so this is about cross belt drive. Another diagram for the cross belt drive. Next, quarter ton belt drive. So we don't have a we don't have in our syllabus quarter ton belt drive. Don't have in our syllabus. So just I am showing, this is quarter ton belt drive. Next, practical applications. So this is very important. Practical applications of belt drives. So gear trains or gear drives, automobiles engines. Generally we use belt drives, automobile engines, chain drives, bicycles, motorcycles, etc. So belt drives, rice mills, floor mills, sieving machines, etc. Rope drives, lifting machines, cranes, etc.